Hi, welcome to Bindu Dhwani. I'm Harini Kodukula. This is very interesting time we are facing now. We don't know, we are going to meet our parents in other countries. Some people like me stuck in other countries. We don't know when we are going to see our friends, and some people are dying, which is very sad. And these are all we are hearing every day, some negative news, and it is very disturbing. And it is very emotionally draining us inside. We are not going to meet our friends or family and loved ones and all. So these kind of emotions are very creating a subconscious trauma. It will lead us to depression. So if you want to heal that, and every day if you want to make yourself a little ease and happy, you can do this kind of meditation. This is called Satnarayan meditation, which is very beautiful meditation. We are going to chant this mantra for 10 minutes. Please join with me and chant with me. And this is simple lines. This is called Sat Narayana Vahe Guru Hari Narayana Satnam. This is mantra with emotional balance because it is more related with our water energy. Sat Narayan. Narayan means a water element. He's the god from water. This is a beautiful Sanskrit meditation. Gurumukhi, we chanted in Gurumukhi. So please join with me. I am setting time for 10 minutes. If you are ready, get a mat and sit in a chair, whichever place you are comfortable. Just sit there, and your hands in Jnana Mudra. Thumb is touching to Jupiter finger, like Jnana Mudra, and you are just attaching the pinky fingers like this. You are making a cup. So these edges of the pinky fingers, which are very related to the moon. These fingers are with Mercury, moon energy. So when we are touching this both and chanting this mantra, there is a terrific energy is producing inside your spinal cord, and it is healing your subconscious mind. Okay? I hope everyone clear with these instructions. So I'm going to start the alarm. You can join anytime with me. Spine straight, take a inhale and start chanting with me. Sat Narayana Vahe Guru Hari Narayana Satnam. 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 Sat नारायण वाहेगुरु। हरि नारायण सतनाम। सत 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 नारायण वाहेगुरु। हरि नारायण सतनाम। सतनारायण वाहेगुरु हरि नारायण सतनाम 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 सतनारायण वाहेगुरु हरि नारायण सतनाम. Take a deep inhale and apply the root lock. Suspend your breath. Stay in the quiet moment. Feel the energy, feel the vibration inside you. Gently come back. You can see your loved ones when you are chanting. You can feel the soul connection with them. Do this when you are alone, when you are quiet times, maybe early mornings or before going to bed. This is a beautiful, powerful meditation. I hope you all will be healed and be happy in your life. Thank you for attending my class. Thank you.